In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by launching settings and clicking on display. Sorry. Over here. Then you need to scroll down and tap on easy mode. Finally, use this switcher next to easy mode to activate it. And wait! As you can see, simple mode is now on. To go back to the standard one, access settings again, click on display, select easy mode and tap on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!